Hop. Takbo daw. Tatakbuhan daw yan, di ba? Tatakbuhan. Kailangan, huwag daw lapitan. Oo na. Pasok. Talon. Oo na. Big.
Kumusta YouTube? Ako nga pala si Dan at welcome sa Who's at the Door.
Itong laro na to mga pre, isa tayong may karamdaman sa pag-iisip. Kumbaga nag-hallucinate tayo. Titignan natin kung totoo ba yung mga nangyayari o dahil lang yun sa hallucinations natin. Pag hallucinations, uminom ng gamot. Kapag hindi naman, napasukin ng kumakatok. Sino ang kumakatok? Tingnan natin. Let's go!
So, 1990.
I am a psychiatric patient. Fuzzy hallucination and voices are part of my everyday life. But lately, these hallucinations are lasting longer. Now, they won't go away unless I take some medication. The boundary between reality and illusion has blurred even more, and I feel increasingly trapped between them. Okay? Every day, people with strange faces bring me medicine. I don't even have strength to tell if they're real or hallucinations anymore. Yet, strangely, collecting doll pieces is the only thing that calms my mind. I don't know why. It just feels like the only hope I have left. This is really a treatment. How much longer must I endure this pain? Okay, meron siyang nagdadaanan mentally sa kanyang isip
Your
at
symptoms are gradually improving. After just 8 more days of treatment, you should be able to return to your normal life.
okay.
However, if you also see strange figures inside your house, this could be a sign that your hallucinations are worsening.
Oh na.
In such cases, immediately take your prescribed medication, or try to calm yourself quietly in your room.
Okay.
Hang in there just a little longer, and you'll make a full recovery.
Full recovery. It's quiet now. No voices, no shadow. Should be safe to open the door at a time like this, right? So, ganito yung ano niya, guys. Hey, bakit ka meron ganito dito? Ano to? Nag-red, pre! Ang usapan, dolls lang. Ang sabi niya kasi kanina, dolls lang ang nakakapagpakalma sa kanya. At hindi niya alam kung bakit. Pero yun yung nakakapagpakalma sa kanya. Pero bakit merong pinagari, pre? Oh na! There's someone knocking at the door. If the hallucinations disappear or return to normal, it's safe to open the door. If the hallucination don't go away, take meds instead. Okay, I suffer from hallucinations every day. Usually I'm fine, but I need to watch out for these types of hallucinations. Those that don't disappear. Those that chase me. Warning, if they touch me, I'll faint. If it's gone, I can relax. Okay, take the medicine from the visitor. Ganon? Sige. So 8 days ang kailangan natin. Visitors. Sige, labas na tayo guys. Wow, ito yung bahay natin, pre. Wow! At ano to? Unang bato, pre. Oh, ayos. Wait lang. Hindi mo madali. Wait lang. At may TV pa. Merong ano, January 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Okay, mga paintings natin dyan. Doctor and Barry and Miss Garrick. Okay? Ano to? Ang ating ano. Ito, nabubuksan? Okay, nabubuksan yan. Ito, wala. Ba't naman ang dilim dito? May kita puntahan. Tignan ko muna yung mga isda ko dito, pre. Magaganda mga isda ko, mga dilis Ito. This is the kusina, guys. Ito, nabubuksan. Okay, ilalim ng sink. Tapos, ito, hindi to nabubuksan. Baka mamaya merong binibake dyan. Inaano dyan na ano na kung ano-ano Okay, meron pa tayo soju dito. Soju and the soju. Wow, tumagos ako, pre. Ako tumagos dyan. Okay, another soju. Daming soju. And isnalaman yan, pre. Alam ko. Tama, isnalaman yan. Ice cream lang. Wait nga. Pwede buksan patayin, no? Okay, ito yung ating sala, guys. Wow. Automatic siya, pre. Hindi, pag nandito ako, automatic siya nagbubukas. Pag wala ako, namamatay siya. Which is kinda creepy, you know? Kasi di mo alam kung ano meron dyan. Mamaya naglalakad ka, meron pala nakatayo dyan, di ba? Kinda creepy, bro. Ano to? Aso? Pwede tayo sumilip dito. Ay! Ganyan yung itsura na. Ganyan yung itsura ni ate. Na. I can't open the door yet. Let's see kung merong mga kung ano-ano dito. Nabubuksan ba to? Oh, yes. Nabubuksan. Okay. Ito, nabubuksan din. Ito, narorolyo ba? Ito, yes, nabubuksan. Meron tayo dalawa tissue dyan. Bathtub. And what's this? Ha? Nalilinisan to? Linisan natin. Linisan. Okay. Ayan na. Linis na. Oh, okay na. Ano pa ang nagagalaw natin dito? So, namamatay din siya kapag nandito ako sa loob. Alright. Okay, may good thing. Sarado ko to, no? Mukhang wala namang kakaiba. Siguro, we are safe dito kay madam. Matry ko buksan yung pinto, guys, ha? Hello. Binigyan niya ako ng gamot, pre. Day 2. Okay. Ibig sabihin yan, tama yung ginawa natin. Need a doll. Kailangan natin ng doll. Kailangan natin kumalma. The doll. Fine. I'm looking for it. Please, get out of my head. Okay, so pagka ganon, kailangan niya ng doll. Saan tayo kukuha ng doll? Let's check muna, guys, yung pinto bago yung lahat. Oh, na! Oh, nah. This is a real person. Look at that. Bakit mo kinain yung buhok mo, pre? Kaya wala ka ng buhok eh. Oh, nah. Bakit tumagos yan dyan? Ha? Pwede tayong umano ng meds kapag ka hallucination. Let's check. Okay, here. Yan pa rin naman. Here. Ito, nilinis ko na to ah. Linisin ulit natin. Wala naman kahit na ano. Wala akong nakikitang mali dyan. Let's close it. This one. Okay din naman. Dito, sa room na to. Okay, wala rin naman. Let's check yung ating kusina, guys. Kung meron bang kakaiba rito. Hindi ito nabubuksan. Ito, nabubuksan. This is new. Hindi ko alam kung nakita ko yung kanina. Okay, yung soju, nandyan pa rin naman. Nandyan pa rin yung isda, pre. I think there's no, grabe naman yan. Rep nyo. Ba't ganyan tunog? Siguro safe si sir. Wala akong nakita, guys, kaya bubuksan ko. Hello. Yay! Alright! Okay, day 3. Day 3, guys. Let's go! Anong bago rito? Walang bago. Nandito pa rin yung malaki natin, lagari. Hindi ko alam ano nilalagari natin dyan, guys. Okay, wala namang bago rito. Alright.
Breaking news. Multiple severely mutilated bodies have been discovered at a villa up in the mountains in Gyeonggi Province. All victims were found with violent external wounds. Police are conducting search operations, considering the possibility that additional missing persons may still be alive. In particular, given the discovery of various medical instruments at the villa, investigators are focusing on the possibility that the suspect may be a practicing physician. As soon as more information becomes available, we will keep reporting on this case.
Okay, the victims were severely mutilated. Who could have done such a thing? And why? Nabubuksan pala to. So, bagong natin yan, nabubuksan pala yan. So, baka mamaya merong mga something dyan. Let's see muna kung sino yung kumakatok. Minsan, baka mamaya, dito pa lang, alam na natin na anomaly siya. Yes, madam? May sakit siya, pre. Meron siyang ketong. Ayaw kita pagbuksan. Tingnan natin dito kung anong meron. Buksan to, wala naman. What's that? Kanina pa ba nandyan yan? Kanina pa tayo nandyan. Dito, okay naman, wala naman. Eto, buksan natin. Tignan natin yung kusina. Hindi ko alam kung anomaly to Hindi ko alam kung yung bumukas hallucination natin. Pero bumukas siya ng Isn't it? Wala, okay naman to. Isn't it, hallucination na merong nagbalita na meron daw ganon? Kasi bukod doon, wala naman. Okay naman din dito. Wala nga lang ako reflection. Pero kanina pa ata yan ako walang reflection. Pero try natin. Kasi yun lang naman eh. Hello, madam. May ketong ka. Sabay yung alcohol ko. Day 4! Let's go! Anong bago dito? Sa kwarto natin, wala namang bago, guys. Okay, labas tayo. Alright. Sa ating bahay. Wala to kanina, guys. This one, etong nakataob na to. Kasi tinignan ko tong dalawa na to kanina. Wala akong nakitang ganyan. Sige, unang-una. Hop. Takbo daw. Tatakbuhan daw yan, di ba? Tatakbuhan. Kailangan, huwag daw lapitan. Oh na! Pang nakipasok. Talon! Oh na! Big! Ibig sabihin nun, day 1 ulit. Na! So, kailangan ko tumakbo doon. Then drink the meds. Oh na. Day 1 again, guys. Let's check all. Bigla may tumalot dito. Kanina, pre. Meron nga talagang ganito. OMG. Let's check. Let's check. Wala naman. This one, wala naman. Okay naman. Wisit na, no? Bigla talaga siya lumabas sa TV, oh. Okay naman. Okay naman. Tignan natin kung sino. Siya na naman. Grabe yun. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Day one again. Oh, bakit ganun? Okay naman lahat. Mayroon ba ako na-miss? Let's open this. Okay naman. Tingnan natin dito. Tingnan natin dito. Okay naman. Sino ang kumakatok? Hello po. Sino ka? Ikaw na naman, yung may ketong. Sige. Okay naman. Baka ito, hindi ko nabuksan kanina. Okay din naman yan. Wala namang iba. Wala namang bago. Okay. Okay. I'm sure. We're good to go. Hey! Not again! What? Anong hallucinations natin? Wala naman. Meron bang ibang binubuksan dito na hindi ko pa nabubuksan? Okay. TV! Medication! Oh no! Day 2, visit the TV yung bigla akong hinabol pre. Okay. Let's check the surroundings again. Okay. There's something here. What's this? Sunshine Clinic. Director, Tomang Building B1. The name seems familiar. Could it be someone I know? Or just a figure from my imagination? Parang lagi naman yung wala dyan. Pagka ganun ba guys, yun ba ay considered as anomaly? Kasi wala yan dyan. Hindi normal na merong what's this? Nandyan ba yan kanina pa? Parang wala. Let's double check. Okay naman. Pero ito, this is not normal. Wala bang habol sa akin dyan na TV? O wala bang habol sa akin dyan na lampra? O baka kayo? Tignan natin sinong nandito. Okay, si Sir. Pero ito, wala ito. Let's check guys, para lang malaman natin kung talaga bang anomalous to. Kasi wala to dito wala to dito. Tapos yung yung nandun na calling card, wala din. I'll take medicine. Pag nag-take ako ng medicine, day 3 ulit. Day 3 na. Tama, kasi nag-day 2 tayo kanina. So, paulit-ulit tayo. Ngayon, day 3 na. Tama. Oh na! What's that? Oh na! Who are you? Always dream about becoming famous, but now? Let's close that. Nandito na siya. And the hallucination blurring again. Together again. I can tell if the doll really spoke or if it's just imagination hearing it. Pero that's already an anomaly kasi may nahulog and then nandiyan siya, di ba? Let's open this TV. Okay? Alright. Let's check this. Ano natin yan? Okay naman. Here. Okay, so, I think this is an anomaly, guys. This is easily an anomaly kasi wala namang ilaw dyan. So, let's go. Let's go! Bilis ka na! Nakita ko na siya. Nakita kita, nakaganon ko. Nakaganon siya. Nandun siya. Day 4. Let's go, guys. Hanggang day 8 daw to Dito, siguro dito hindi naman nagbabago na. What's that? Dito siguro hindi naman nagbabago sa loob. May narinig ako nabasag. Tingnan muna natin dito. Okay, normal naman. Okay, normal naman. Nandiyan pa rin yung hugasan. Okay naman din to. Baka mamaya pati yung bilang ng soju kasama. So yan pa rin naman. Etong bote na to, ito yung selecta na nasa baba. Selecta ba yan pre? Tapos etong 3 soju, 4 na soju, may nakahiga dyan na isa. Okay? Tapos may apples na 3 lang yung kita. Pwede ako yumuko guys. Space ang yuko. Ilang apples yan? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Tatandaan ko yan just to be sure. You know? Oh na! Nakukuha siya. I met Bori at the bar across from the place. She sang there. Her beautiful face and sweet voice captivates me. I had to get close to her. Okay? There's something about that tone. Unsettlingly insistent. Kind of scary actually. Sino yung nandito ngayon guys? Okay, si Madam na naman. Madam, at parang wala yung kanina. Wala tong mga newspaper na yan. Not sure. At ito, naging doktor. Ano to? Ibig sabihin guys, kailangan natin talaga maging mapanuri sa surroundings. Guys, kahit dito, kailangan maging mapanuri tayo. 2 tapos 3 towel, 2 toothbrush, 2 yan. Okay, kasi eto pa lang, towel yan kanina. I think I'm hallucinating. Let's take this. Day 5. Okay, di ba? Let's go sa day 5 natin. Guys, may lumabas na naman sa TV Buksan ko na yan para wala na lumabas. Kuya Red, pinag-isipit! Oh na. Bakit cannot take it? Ano yun? Kailangan silipin ko muna yun nandun sa loob. Diyan ka na ba? Sino ka? Ikaw na naman. Nandiyan pa ba siya? Nandiyan pa siya eh. Hindi naman siya gumagalaw eh. Bakit cannot take it? Ayan na, mag-take na ako. So, hindi pwede yung sobrang aga. Day 6 guys! Hindi pwede yung sobrang aga kaiinom ng medicine. Okay, tingnan natin. Oh, meron na namang manika na hindi kumpleto ang katawan. Nakukuha to eh. Ayan o. One day, she confided in me about a man who followed her every night. He might be a stalker. Come stay at my place for a while. It's closer to the bar, you know. She first looked at me hesitantly, but then agreed. It's time to make your dream come true. Okay? This note feels like more than just a concern. There seems to be some deeper intention about it. Okay? Nandiyan ka na naman. Balo! Okay? Wala naman. Okay? Ano pa rin sila? Soju. And then, wala naman bago. Let me check this one. I think this is new. And this figurine too. I don't know. But I think this is new. The butas. Because there's no butas there. Okay. Let's check pa yung iba pa. Okay. Sa ating toilet. Okay. Linisin natin. Wala namang iba. Dalawa pa rin sila. At ito ay ganun pa din. Sinong ano natin ngayon?
Surprise!
Hello, yung may ketong. Pero tingin ko, this is anomaly. There is one anomaly, guys. Ito ay may butas. Wala yung butas eh. So, super dilim, super labo niyan palagi. So, I'll take my meds. Okay? Let's see. Day 7! Okay. Tingin ko kailangan ko na rin pansinin tong ano. Wala bang nagbabago? Yan pa rin, nakasulat. Run. Left. Shift. Pwede nga ako mag-run. Left shift. Okay. Anong bago? Minsan ng DB? Dapat wala kang ma-miss dito. Baka naman pati ito nagbabago. Lugi na ako dyan. Dito. Wala ba? Ano? Wala. Wala bang bago? Eto. Yung pa rin yung soju. Walang bago. Sa taas. Wala naman. This one. O, diba? Wala talaga yung butas, pre. Talagang super duper dilim yan. Hello po! Wait po! Saglit lang. Okay, let's check. Dalawa pa rin yan. May sabon. Okay, eto, dalawa pa rin. I think there's no anomaly. Right? Tama, di ba? Okay naman. Let's check the ceiling. Oh, this is an anomaly. Wala to, right? This is anomaly. So, meaning I'll take my medicine. Kahit yung kumakanta dito kanina ng babae, meron yun. Pero tinake ko ang aking medicine. So, I need to take my medicine. Okay. This is hallucinations. Day 8! Let's go, guys! Oh na! Day 8! Okay naman na! Am I hallucinating? I need to calm down. I need a doll. Oh na, this is so hard. Oh na! Am I really hallucinating? Naku, napakahirap. Let's open that. Ang hirap mag-spot the difference. Guys! Oh na, nagiging apat na yung bangkok, pre! Naku, hindi ko na mabilang yung soju. Ito. Okay naman. Is this considered hallucination, guys? Oh na, this is so hard. Hindi ko na mabilang. Sino yung kumakatok sa atin? Ano po? Guys, hindi ko alam kung this is hallucination. Kasi wala naman bago. Okay naman lahat. Pero nagaganito lang ako. Definitely, pag nagaganito ka, you have to take the meds, right? Let's take the meds, guys. There's no way na hindi natin kailangan ng gamot dyan. Okay, day 9, let's go! Bakit day 9 pala eh? Sabi, it's oddly quiet. None of the usual noise or hallucination I normally hear. Okay, ganito pala talaga itsura. Baka magaling na siya kasi 8 days lang sabi ng doktor, guys. Okay, pero ito, madilim na. Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko dyan, guys. I am now at the day 9. Let's open this. No, hindi pala yan nabubuksan. Umaga ba? Bukas to ha, bukas. I cannot interact anymore, guys. Hindi na tayo makapag-interact at bukas ang pito. Sino nandyan sa labas? At bakit yan nakabukas? Guys, what to do? Hindi rin naman ako makapag-interact dito. Alam ko. Lalabas ako hata, guys. Wala na rin yung gamot ko. I think I'm good to go. Makakalabas na ako. Let's try, guys. Let's go. Okay. Bumukas yung ilaw. Hindi pa tayo makakapasok dyan. Wala ba tao sa likod ko? Okay. Ang tagal bumukas ng ilaw. Okay, merong parcel dito. Sir, may parcel kayo, sir. Durug-durug na. Okay, bumukas yung ilaw ulit. Okay, malapit na tayo sa labasan, guys. Alright, nandito na tayo. Buksan na natin yan. Okay, maganda pala dito sa kanila eh. Okay. Yeah. What happened? What happened? Ah! It hurts. There's no escape. Oh, nah. What's happening?
You went outside?
You went
That's
outside.
impossible. Are your symptoms getting worse? You're still taking your medication, right? Please wait just a little longer. I'll come see you soon.
Sabi mo 8 days lang, sir. Ah! Pero natatandaan niya daw na parang inano siya, hinampas. This is day 1 again. Let me familiarize first the surroundings. Yes po, sino po ba ang nandyan? Sir, lumabas siya pre. Nakalabas siya freely. Pero I think doon talaga tayo dinadala ng game kasi wala naman na yung gamot dyan kanina eh. Diba? Let's check. Ano ang bago? Ano ang luma? Okay. Looks familiar. Okay, this is odd. Okay, another. Ay. What happened to Bori? Why does she keep lingering in my mind? That is definitely a hallucination. Let me take my meds. Indicator ko na sila guys, yung mga manika na yan. Pag may nakikita ko manika, then it's good to go. Will I really be able to find out more about Bori this time? What could have happened to her? Sino pa si Bori? Ito? Siya pa si Bori? Bori! Ah! Na! Bori! What's that, Bori? Anong kailangan mo? Bakit mo ako tinuturo dyan? Bakit mo ako tinuturo dyan? It's open! It's open, guys! I need my meds! I need the na! Bakit bawal? Cannot take yet. Let's close this! Oh, na! I need my meds! Wala, ayaw tayong pag-take ng meds, guys. Let's go. Sundan natin to si Bori. Bori, what happened to you? So, wala pala talagang pinto dyan? Hindi na natin alam ang totoo sa hindi totoo. Oh, na, what's this?
Where am I?
Bori, where am I?
Excuse me, doctor. Someone, please.
Uh-huh.
Ah, you're awake.
What is it?
Sooner than expected.
Why am I tied up?
Hindi ako pwedeng pumasok dun, pre. Dito lang tayo manonood.
Untie
Ang
me
ginagawa sa kanya?
right now.
I can't do that. You're about to become something more special. Of course, you're already beautiful enough.
Mm-hmm.
Yet beneath the surface, I believe a truly perfect form lies hidden. You'll become so beautiful, even your reflection won't recognize you.
Don't!
Oh na, anong gagawin sa kanya? Oh na! Oh na!
You'll mess up that flawless skin.
Oh na! Anong
If you
ginagawa
keep
sa kanya?
moving, you might not turn out as pretty.
Oh na! Oh na! Jump scare. Bakit? Bori's truth. Ano ba nangyari kay Bori? The pain she endured still won't leave my mind. It's still fresh in my memory. Grabe ang nangyari kay Bori. This is Bori, guys. Kaya naman magayong mata ni Bori. Diba magayong mata niya, luwa. Dahil siguro sa ginawa sa kanya.
On the previous incident,
Okay?
we continue to receive testimonies from victims who underwent illegal medical procedures at an unknown location.
Mm-hmm.
The police promised to focus all efforts on making a swift arrest based on the victim's statements, warning that the suspect may still be holding test subjects captive and continuing his illegal activities. As soon as more information becomes available, we will keep reporting on this case.
Could I be held captive like those people in the news? Pwede rin. Let's check this. This is normal. Let's check this. Normal. I think everything is normal. Okay naman lahat. Ito si Bori. Pero, merong nagbalita. Remember kanina nung may nagbalita, that's hallucination. Should I take my meds, guys? Let's see kung pag may nagbabalita ay hallucinations. Siguro naman di ako babalik sa pinaka-umpisa, di ba? Nag-day 1 ulit. Ibig sabihin, wala sanang hallucination. Bumukas na. Ibig sabihin, pag bumukas yung TV, that doesn't mean na hallucination yun. Sige, let's check the... Oh, na! That's it. We should check this. Alam nyo naman, kailangan natin i-check. Oh, na! What's that? Isang kamay at merong mata. Okay, alam na natin kung ano ang gagawin natin. Wala na ako ibang gagawin kundi dumiretso dito. Why? Kasi that's hallucination. Pero wag mo sabihin na umulit tong story Pero tingin ko hindi naman kasi nabilugan yung one pa lang. Yung one pa lang ang nabilugan. Okay? At nandito na si Bori. Diba? Okay naman na yung kwento. Sige, let's check again. Okay naman. Okay naman. Pati yan. Okay. Buksan ng TV. Okay naman. I think etong rug na to wala to. That's not there. And this one, who are you? Have you seen my daughter? Bakit sa akin mo hinahanap? This style, the face looks familiar. It looks like that person who brought me the medicine. You know what? I need to take my medicine. Who are you? Okay, may ketong ka? I need to take my medicine. Definitely. Day 3. Sige, check natin. Who are you? Who are you? Hindi kita titingnan. Hindi ako titingin sa'yo. Hindi ako titingin sa'yo. Diretso na ako sa gamot ko. Sumusunod siya sa akin, guys. Dumiretso na ako sa gamot ko. Hinahabol ako sa likod ko Ganun siya dun, Okay, let's go. Okay, that is you. Bago yan. Baka may tumalo na naman dito Hello, may sulat kang dala. I caught the man who was following Bori. He quickly tried to leave, saying, I'm sorry. I must have mistaken you for someone else. His name is Takgu. He said his young daughter was kidnapped and went missing long ago. He must have mistaken Bori for his daughter. Okay. Did Bori know about this? Or were you just afraid? Okay. Wala, okay naman yan. Hindi tayo pwede magpakakampante, guys. May nakita na tayong, katawan. Pag nakakita tayo ng katawan, that's my indication na hindi ko naman yan natatabig. Hindi ko naman yan natatabig. Let's drink some medicine. Never ko natabig yan. Day 1 na naman. What is hallucination and what is that? Now, meron na akong nalaman na itong mga parts nila doesn't mean hallucination. Pati yung mga nakikita mong nagpa-flash doesn't mean hallucination. Pag hindi nawawala, yan na. So, clearly hallucination. Clearly hallucination. Stay there Stay there. I know this. Nag-back to day 1 tayo. Merong ganon. Okay. Okay, merong note. Miss Gomu, 02. Sinong tumatawag?
Are you the teacher from the orphanage where Bori stayed? She's very sick right now. Your number was the only one written in her notebook.
Ano ba si Bori?
Bori has been asking for you a lot. She must have relied on you quite a bit, if you don't mind.
Ano ba si Bori? Is that hallucination? Di ko naman natatabig yan, di ba? Di ba? Hallucination ba to?
Are you the teacher from the orphanage where Bori stayed? Bori has been asking for
Nag-hallucinate
you
ba
a
ako?
lot, if you don't mind.
Hallucination din ba yung mga ganyan? Wala naman kasing ganyan Hindi naman siya nandyan. Dapat hindi siya normal. So, magta-take ako ng medicine. Day 3. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, guys, eto Ayan. Yung mga parte doesn't mean na mayroong anomalya. Mukhang normal naman. Normal. Pag natabig mo yan, ibig sabihin, pwedeng hindi siya hallucinations, guys. Sino ka? Who's that? Bakit ko pa inintay na Inis, guys. Doesn't mean How about a hair transplant? Your daughter would like it too. I said to the man who was left only with guilt for not being able to save his daughter. Drunk every day. Takgu hung his head in the drunknesses, his hair swaying in the wind as if accepting my words. I couldn't stop myself from laughing. I don't know why I care so much about this story. Takgu, Bori, and this house. Everything seems connected. Sige. Okay naman. Wala namang problema. Wala naman problema. Who are you? Let's open the door, guys. Dito naman ako nahirapan sa part na to. Let's check it again. Wala namang yung rug pala dyan kanina ay normal naman. Okay. May nabasag. Narinig nyo yun? Nung binuksan ko to, may nabasag. What was that? Does that mean hallucinations? Nung binuksan ko to, parang may nabasag. Pero wala namang basag sa paligid. Hindi ko alam kung that's hallucination or hindi naman. Let's try. Day 1 pa lang naman tayo. So, itry natin para malaman natin kung considered ba as hallucination yung mga naririnig natin kapag nagano tayo. So, kapag binuksan ko to at mali, hallucination. So, hallucination yon kapag may narinig ka. Okay. Okay naman yun. Okay naman. Wala namang iba. Yung stain na yan, nandyan naman ata talaga yan. Okay naman. May naririnig lang ako. Boom. Okay, that's hallucination. Wait lang, tignan ko muna kung sino to. Hallucination. May gumagamit. Boom. So, pag may man narinig ka lang, alam mo ng hallucination yun. Let's go. Day 2. Okay lang ba kayo dyan? Okay naman sila. Buksan natin to. Okay, buksan yan. Buksan din to. Okay naman. Wala yung mga wala yung mga gamit natin at merong dugo. So, this is hallucination. Let me see. This is hallucination. Alam ko hallucination yan. Day 3, let's go. Okay, buksan ang pinto. Maghanap ng hallucinations. Dito, okay. Okay din naman. Okay. Nilalangaw. Hindi dapat nilalangaw yan. Hallucinations. Let's take the medicine. Nilalangaw yung apple, guys. Day 4, let's go. Tingnan natin dito. Ayan o, yung apple. Dapat fresh na fresh yan. Wala naman. Kakaiba. Okay, sumarado to. Aha, hindi yan sumasarado eh. Oh, diba? Diretso na ako. Can't take! Why? Oh, nah. Who's that at the door? Ano ba yan? Kailangan ko ba yung lapitan? Kailangan ko ata yung lapitan, pre. Sino ka? Lalapitan ko, Lalapitan ko. Ready ka na? Sino ka? Kanino kang ulo? Bakit ka, baby? Kaninong ulo na baby to? Kunin natin. Ano sabi? Run away! Uminom tayo ng gamot! Gamot. Nakainom ba ng gamot? Nakainom ba ako ng gamot? Basta yon. Sana punta yung ulo. Baka nandyan na yun. Di bale. Let's go. Merong ano rito. Ano yan? Alam na natin yan. That's hallucinations, right? Wala na. Inom na ako ng gamot. Nakita ko na. It wasn't real. What? Day 1 ulit. Inis ako Hindi ba yun hallucination? Merong dugo. May dugo. Gumaganon pag. Nung binuksan, wala naman. Yung iba kasi, may dugo. Pag binuksan, meron talaga nakikita sa loob. Pero dun wala naman. Alright. Gets. Now I know. Mabilisan na lang to. Tingnan natin. Ano laman na ito? May laman ba? Wala naman. Okay. Ito. Wala naman, okay? Wala naman no? Ano yun? May something doon, May naglalakad na bata. Nawala ba? Pindutin ko. So, nawala. Ibig sabihin, that's not hallucination. Nawala Yung mga nagper-persist daw. Buksan natin. Try natin buksan. Kasi nawala. Pag binuksan ko to at mali, mapapatunayan natin na may mga hallucinations na pagka pinindot mo or biglang nawala, normal occurrence lang. Let's see. Okay, binigyan tayo ng gamot. Tama yung ginawa natin. May mga ganon na dapat tignan natin kung mawawala. Pero kapag yung malalaki, yung hinahabol ka na, definitely magta-take na tayo ng meds. Kasi hindi tayo pwedeng abutan ng mga yon, right? Okay, yung taas natin, tignan din natin yan. Kanina meron dito. Okay. So pwede ko rin tong tignan. Wala naman, okay naman. Sino ka? May ketong? Okay naman. Bago ako magbukas, let's do double check. Okay. Wala naman no? Talagang goods naman. Sige, papasukin natin siya. Just to be sure, guys, I'm sorry. Kasi, diba? Mali nga Nagkamali. Bakit nagkamali? Ayan. Siguro meron pa akong hindi nabubuksan na pwede natin galawin, no? Okay yung aso. Okay. Alam ko na. Ay, mali! Mali ako nang binuksan. Minsan pala hindi ko tinitignan yung kailangan titignan mo kasi may hallucinations din doon sa may peephole. Tingnan natin ang mga gamit ng day 1. I can take it. Kailangan ba tignan ko kayo, guys? Baka yun nandiyan kasi. Let's see. Hindi nawawala Pwede na. Sige. Inumin ng mga meds. Day 2. Wag natin isara para lagyan natin ng bakit ka nakaganyan? Eto din. Try ko nga kung magbabago. Hindi naman. Let's go. At uminom ng meds. Kasi galit siya. Nakaganon siya. Hey, day 3. Day 3, let's go. Can you teach me how to doggy? Ayan, mga nakapikit sila It's all the girls in the lobby. Hey! Ito, kailangan din ba natin to tignan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay yan. Ayos yan. Wala naman ako nakikitang kakaiba. Ay, may mga kamay! Ayan, minsan hindi natin na-check pala yan. Yung aquarium. Day 4, let's go. Kailangan yung memory mo dito matalas. OMG. Pikit pa rin sila. Ito nakangiti at may nakataob. Ito, lamp. Okay. Okay naman yung aquarium. Sa kusina. Okay naman sa kusina. Inspectionin natin ng maayos kasi pag hindi maayos yung pagkaka-inspection natin. Op! Take the medicine! I know! I should know! Okay, day 5. Let's check. Tingnan lang natin lahat. Buksan natin tong TV. Dapat yung TV maliwanag pa rin pag pinapatay ang ilaw. Okay naman, okay naman. Dito, may nakasilip. Kukunin ko ba yan? Minsan ayoko lapitan yung mga ganyan kasi baka mamaya ahabulin ka eh. Wala, hindi siya nakiklik guys. That's an anomaly, right? Minom na tayo ng gamot para mag day 6 na. Day 6, let's go. Hanggang ilang days ba to? Okay naman sila, happy pa rin. Ito, nakapikit pa rin. Patay ng ilaw. Patay ng ilaw. May significance to guys. Alam ko meron yan. Kaya nga nilagayan ng game devs dyan eh. Everything is good. Everything is good in the hood. Alright, alright. Dito. Everything is good. Wala namang bago. The thing is parang walang kumakatok. No? Dapat may kumakatok eh. There's something. Kailangan silipin ko muna to. Ay! Cannot take it yet. Oh, baka gulatin na naman ako ng pangalang beses. Alright, ito si Sir. Parating na si Sir. Pag ano pala, tsaka lang pala ano. Ayan. O, edi may kumakatok na, no? Let's check it again. Kasi baka mamaya yung anomaly, dumadating lang siya kapag meron ng visitor na kumakatok. I don't think that's an anomaly, yung pagsilip ko. Kasi nawala naman siya eh. Hindi naman siya nagstay. Anong day na kasi ako? Day 5 na eh. Ayaw ko kasing mag-risk na papasukin siya. Kaso magde-day 1 ka rin naman pagka nagkamali ka sa ano. Which is wala naman kasing bago eh. Wala akong makitang anomaly guys. Papapasok okay ko guys ha. Okay. Alright. Day ano na? Day 7. Buksan natin yan. Oh na. Umiiyak siya. Dito muna ako. Hintay muna tayo. Or maghanap-hanap muna tayo. Tingnan natin kung magbabago. Kasi pwedeng magbago eh. Kailangan daw kasi yung nag-i-stay. So pagka yan ay hindi nagbago. Tapos kung mag-check ng surroundings. That's hallucinations. Pero kung may mga habol sa akin dito, iinom na agad ako. Wait lang. Let's check. Okay. Hindi siya nagbago guys. Hindi rin siya nakiklik. Naririnig lang natin yung iyak niya na ano. Tas kulay green. Let's check muna to kung ano to. Okay. Sige, inom tayo guys. Inom tayo ng gamot. Day 8. Okay. Hindi tayo pwede magpakampante. Okay, what's this? Can I close this? Hintayin muna natin na tumagal. Baka naman mawala. Okay naman. Saan natin to? Baka kasi mawala naman. Wala. Ayaw mawala pre. Ayaw mawala. Baka mamaya kasi. Ano? Day 9. Let's go. Was this Takgu also a victim of that doctor? Sige, tingnan natin kung talaga bang victim din si Takgu. Hello, Takgu. Hello, Takgu. Pakita mo sa akin kung ano nangyari sa'yo. Ito ba ang ating pinto? Dito ba si Takgu? Okay, yan si Takgu, guys.
Oh, you're awake, Taku.
Oh, na.
That hair transplant surgery I mentioned earlier. I just came up with a really ingenious method. I'm going to do it myself for you. Your daughter will be delighted to see this too.
Oh, na.
You'll be completely transformed.
Oh, na.
Taku, open your eyes. The surgery went absolutely perfectly. Now, how about you take a look in the mirror? Even you won't recognize yourself.
Ganun pala yung ginawa sa kanya.
Are you the teacher from the orphanage where Bori stayed? She's very sick right now. Your number was the only one written in her notebook.
Okay, yan yung kanina.
That's right. How is Bori?
Bori has been asking for you a lot. She must have relied on you quite a bit, if you don't mind.
Yes. I'll head there right away.
Family siguro sila guys. Yung may ketong nanay siguro yun. Why did that doctor perform such cruel procedures? Eto siguro ay ang tatay. Eto ang anak nila si Bori. Tapos etong si Miss Go. Yung may ketong siya yung nanay. Pamilya sila guys.
The suspect involved in the illegal medical practice case has been apprehended. Currently, he is denying all charges and continues to make controversial claims that human will and mental strength can overcome any pain. In addition, he has
Nahuli na
gone
siya.
so far as to make statements that glorify past acts of brutal human experimentation, and a psychiatric evaluation is now scheduled to be conducted.
Nahuli na siya. I thought I might be one of the imprisoned victims, but now I feel like I can break free from that fear. Okay. Baka mamaya yung mga pinapainom sa'yo na gamot, pre. Yun yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng hallucination eh. Yun natin yung doktor niya, yung doktor na yun eh. Let's check. Hindi tayo pwede magpakampante, guys. Okay, itong picture na to, okay naman. January pa din. Tingin ko okay naman. Yan na siya. Lumabas na. So, hindi tayo pwede nagmamadali, di ba? May mga ganun pa na kailangan ititigil mo siya ng matagal, tapos saka siya lalabas. Isa din yun sa dapat nating yun. Check natin kung nagbago ba. Hindi. Ganun pa rin. Let's take the medicine. So, hindi siya dapat madaliin, guys, di ba? Mayroon kang mga tititigan. Kailangan hintay mo muna. Okay? May ulo na naman, pero hindi naman sila. I just want to be happy. Why is my life like this? Eto na ata si Gomu. Hold its own painful story. Ikaw, didilat ka ba? Ikaw naman. Dumilat ka na! Ikaw! Ako ka ba natutulog? This one, parang may kakaiba. Ayun may tao dun. Dun siya kumakatok. Tara, mukhang hindi naman yan magbabago eh. We are hallucinating. I think. Diba? Day 3. Let's go, day 3. May something dyan, sa taas, What's this? I kept thinking about the teacher, Miss Gomu, whom I met through Bori. Even amid rumors of her husband's business failure and her son's college rejection, she was someone who... excuse me po! I'm sorry! She was someone who always gave me children a warm smile. Why did she fall into that cult? Bigla ako na burp. Like the dolls in this room, could she too be trapped by something something? Hindi ko nabasa. Sorry, guys. Okay. Lalapit na ako. Wala na ako magagawa. I'll take my medicine. Sige mo, nandun siya, Nandun siya. Okay. Unti na natin nabubuo ang katawan ni Miss Gomu. Si Miss Gomu nga yun. Ano niya yan? Magkakamag-anak sila kung hindi niya man anak o hindi niya man kapatid, ganun. Baka pinsan niya yan. Let's check dito. Okay. Ito na yung paa ni Gomzu. I hope she won't have the strength to overcome her misfortunes. I found her contract information among Bori's belongings and got her to come here under the pretense that Bori was sick. Okay. Miss Gomu, Bori, Takgu, were they all ultimately victims of that doctor? Yes, of course. There's something here, ulo. Alis na ako dyan. Wait lang. Baka kasi mawala naman. Diba? Wala. Hindi nawawala. Let's go. Let's take that medicine. Ninatuan siya? Was it all just a dream? Not just Bori but Miss Gomu too. My growing anxiety tells me they might be all fallen victim to that person. Mga victim sila nun. Saraduhan ko muna. Baka mamaya. Ano sabi? You placed together her fragments she left behind. Diyan pa rin ba siya? Wala na. Pwedeng normal pa rin yung nangyayari. Kasi, pag nakakita tayo ng ganon, pero nawala, hindi siya nag-persist, that means it's normal. Pero hindi tayo pwede magpakakampante. Check pa rin natin lahat kung meron bang kakaiba. Let's check here. No problem. Tignan natin kung sino yung nakasilip. Si Bori to. Hindi. Si Takbu. Kaya naman, nawala naman siya. Papasokin natin siya, guys. Day 5 na pa naman. Okay. Day 6, let's go! Mas maganda pa yung may anomaly kasi parang nagtatrust issue ako sa sarili ko kapag walang anomaly. Tas bubuksan ko pa eh. Parang may naglalakad sa hallway. But, is that an anomaly? I don't know. Alright. Eto, let's... Ay! What is that? Financial crisis looms. Desperate citizen turns to calls. May lumabas na mga ipis. Pero nawala naman siya. Ang sabi kasi, that stays. Let's check. Okay naman. Pero, hindi tayo pwede magpakampante. Check muna natin si Miss Gomu. Excuse me, guys. Papasukin natin, guys. Tama. Hi. Let's go! Day 7! Dito walang nagbabago guys eh, no? Safe eh, no? Sureness to eh. Oh, may ganito pa. Saan yung Bobby? Nandito? Sa baba? Hala! Lechon na to eh! Ang lechon na yan si Bobby! Hindi nawawala pre. Uminom tayo ng gamot. Tayo ay nag-hallucinate. Day 8, let's go! Eto na, ang last na day. Okay. Huwag mo akong dadayain, game. Huwag mo itago ang mga anomalya. Open this door. Okay naman sila. Pero ba't parang walang kumakatok? Oh, na! Am I just hallucinating? Let's see. Palapit na siya ng palapit. Hindi nawawala. Inom na ako. Baka mamaya pagkalapit niyan, mayari pa ako eh. Day 9, let's go. The doll is gone. Is it really over now? Tingnan natin. Bukas na ulit yung bintana niya at umaga na naman. Tara, labas tayo guys. Let's go. Lumabas na tayo. Nandiyan silang tatlo. Nakikita nyo ba? Ayun o. Zoom in ko. Diba? Lapitan natin sila. Ano ba ang mga itsura talaga nila? Creepy pa rin ba? O yung mga itsura nila bago sila naging creepy? Huwag ako! Oh, not! Galit na galit si Takbu!
Is this place?
Oh.
Why are you all here?
Oh, nah! Revenge time?
What is this?
Oh,
Why are
nah!
you doing this to me?
Untie me, ha? Untie me, ha?
The
Nakikita mo ba yung
pills
mata
you
ko?
took were poison that slowly eats away at your brain. Seeing you flail around lost in hallucinations was truly entertaining.
The pain and despair we endured
Oh,
will
nah!
seep into your flesh
Tayo yung doktor!
bones.
Pala ko pa naman babae tayo.
Your greed made us what we are, and now we'll become your nightmare. Aren't you excited? Our masterpiece.
Oh! Who's at the door? You know, who's at the door? Hindi pa ba tapos? Ayan na.
The perpetrator of those horrific human experiments has gone missing.
Yes, Mr. Kim, who had received a life sentence, was controversially released on parole 10 years ago and has since vanished without a trace.
Yes, there are also suspicions of medical record trading with higher-ups behind the parole decision, right?
Yes, human rights groups strongly opposed the decision at the time, and after his disappearance, there were even suggestions that the victims' families might have kidnapped him.
This led to renewed scrutiny of his past. His brutal crimes committed under the banner of human experimentation.
It's hard to believe that a person could do such things to another human.
Yes, the case remains unsolved, and Kim's whereabouts are still a complete mystery. Where could he possibly be?
Oh, na.
This has been Caseline. Thanks for watching.
Ayan na siya. Inano na siya. Siya pala, tayo pala yun.
What do you really think happened to Mr. Kim?
Well, I guess he probably didn't survive long. Honestly, someone like that deserves to be punished just as cruelly. Rip, destroy, tear apart. I'd make sure he suffers just as much, if not more, with most agonizing pain possible. That's what I would do.
Ayan na, ang itsura mo. Kala ko babae tayo talaga. Okay! Grabe yun! Ang hirap! Pag nasanay ka na, magagamay mo rin. Who's at the door? Nauuso talaga yung mga ganitong laro na yung hanapin mo yung anomaly, hanapin mo yung mga kakaiba, then magpo-proceed ka kapag walang kakaiba, then babalik ka kapag merong anomaly sa ibang laro. Definitely, marami pa tayong lalaroin na ganito, yung mga anomalies. Hintayin nyo lang. Etong Who's at the door, isa na to doon at napakaganda niya. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys. At kung gusto nyo pa ng mga ganitong video, video, mag-comment kayo dyan, i-like nyo tong video, at mag-subscribe na kayo sa akin kung gusto nyo to. Pero pag hindi nyo gusto, huwag kayong mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat sa panonood, at sabi ni YouTube, magugustuhan nyo daw tong video na to, kaya i-click nyo na to. Thank you guys, peace out.